In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Gmail shortcut on your desktop. This is a simple way to access your Gmail with just one click, saving you time and hassle by bypassing the need to open your browser and search for your email account every time you want to check your messages. So let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Gmail inbox. Once you have Gmail open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. There, you should see a three-dot menu icon, which acts as the options or settings menu for your browser. Go ahead and click on that icon. This menu contains several different options for customizing and controlling your browser experience, but today, we're focused on creating that desktop shortcut. Next, we need to look for the More Tools option. On some browsers, depending on what version you are using, it could be labeled differently, potentially showing up as Cast, Save, and Share or something similar. Simply hover your mouse over this menu option, and you'll be presented with a secondary menu that will provide further choices. In this secondary menu, look for the option that says Create Shortcut, or, in some instances, it might say Install Page as App. Select this option. This is where we're going to initiate the creation of our desktop shortcut. Once you've clicked that, you'll see a prompt pop up on your screen. Here, you'll have the opportunity to rename the shortcut. You can go ahead and type in Gmail, or whatever name you prefer to associate with your shortcut. This step is optional, but it's often a good idea to give it a clear and recognizable name so you can easily identify it on your desktop later. After you've named your shortcut, or if you've decided to stick with the default, you'll then click the Create button. In some cases, the button might be labeled Install instead, but the action will be the same. Once you do this, the shortcut will be automatically created and appear as an icon on your desktop. And there you have it. Now you have a Gmail icon on your desktop, providing you with quick and convenient access to your emails with just one click. The next time you want to check your Gmail, simply double-click on this desktop shortcut, and it'll open up your inbox directly. This can be a real time saver in your daily routine. I hope you found this video helpful, and now you have an easy and efficient way to get to your Gmail emails faster. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.